Everybody, ये ना चुप करा तो मैं शुरू करूँगा यार. Tell them to be quiet at least. Okay, listen. जो Ronnie चिल्ला रहे हो, guys, yo. If you don't listen to me for the next 1 minute, I'm not gonna call Ronnie on stage. Okay, please listen to me what I'm gonna be saying here. Crazy है लोग यहाँ पे. If you think you are savage, then now you get to see the master of online roasting. He's a YouTuber known for his delicious roast on every quirky fad on the internet through his own show called The Ronnie Show, everybody. He is also an online gamer who streams your favorite game called PUBG. He's on a mission to spread Anand, as he claims. Can we have a montage for him, please?
What's the most beautiful place you've ever been to? What does creativity and talent mean to you?
A few moments later.
अबे फिलोसफी कौन लेके आ रही इधर?
हेलो.
अरे सुन रे यार, प्रोफाइल मुझे एक्टिंग है.
हाँ जानता हूँ.
तो थोड़ा मेरा सेटिंग लगा देना.
इसका मैं सर फूटेगा.
With over 1.5 million subscribers on the Ronnie Games and over 1 million subscribers on the Ronnie Show, everybody please make some noise for Ronnie Dasgupta, also known as the Ronnie Show. Please make some noise for the Ronnie. Thank you so much, Ronnie, for joining. क्या हाल है? In other news, Ronnie was also here in Maker Mela 2020. This is the second time Ronnie is here. Please make some noise for Ronnie for being second time at Maker Mela. Time for the next creator, everybody. Are we ready for the third creator who gets to be here? I'm not gonna start with her. Are we ready for the third creator, everybody? Alright. She is one of the top digital female creators. A girl-centric comedy channel, popularly known for the new spin that she brings on day-to-day activities of Indians and most streamed women. She's also been an actress in multiple films and theatre productions. She hosted the YouTube Fan Fest India Red Carpet at 2017. Can we have a montage for her, please? With over 2.3 million subscribers, everybody please make some noise for Anisha Dixit, also known as Riksha Wali. Welcome. Alright, it's time everybody. Check this out. Check this, the new creator in the house we have, everybody. He is a comedian, YouTuber and actor. मैं इंट्रोड्यूस कर लूँ यार, मैं पहले इंट्रोड्यूस करूँ. He's not gonna come. In 2018, he won the Dada Sai Phalke Award for the Best Digital Influencer. In 2019, he received the Best Comedy Influencer at World Bloggers Awards. He even bagged a cameo in the world popular film called Men in Black International. He was also invited by the Marvel Studios to attend the Avengers Endgame world premiere at Los Angeles Convention Center. From making wines, he has come a long way. Can we have a montage for him, please?
मिलियन का जोन है हमारे यहाँ ऐसा नहीं होता है।
I give you the digital superstar Ashish Chanchalani, everybody. Hi, man. Hi. This is crazy. All right. Let's grab your mics, everybody. Let's start this off. Everybody, we finally have Slay Point. Make some noise for Slay Point, everybody. We finally have Slay Point in the house. We have the Ronnie Show, everybody. Please make some noise. Up next in the attendance chart, we have Anisha Dikshit Rikshawali in the house, everybody. Please make some noise. And finally, we know him. What's his name? Please make some noise for Ashish Chanchalani at Meko Mela 2020, everybody. Let's grab your mics, man. शुरू करते हैं यार. करते हैं. Have your mic, man. चलो.
वीडियो में कर
Are we good to go, everybody? Let's do this. Yeah. Okay. Let's do a quick sound check with your mics if it's working or not. Check.
Hello. Test.
Is everything working cool? मेरा चालू है. Crazy. Okay, I think it's time. Everybody, this says the bell icons. We are having a panel discussion on what does it take to be an influencer, everybody. We have some of the most crazy 4 superstars of YouTube creator company, of the YouTube India digital space here, everybody. Joining in, we have such beautiful people for joining in for panel discussion, man. Are we good to go? Everybody? Let's do this. Yeah.
जादू नहीं आया जादू किधर है इधर है
Okay. For those people who didn't hear this one last time, this is the bell icons, life of an influencer. Oh damn! They're not going to let us speak. They're not going to let us speak.
Thank you. I love you all. I love you. I'll just go and yeah. Okay. I Hi, how are you? I love you all. I love you all. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you. I love you all very much. Welcome there. Thank you. Thank you so much. Love you all. Thank you so much. I love you all very much. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. We have lovely kids over here. Thank you all. I love you all very much. Okay. God bless you all. Okay, let's start with somebody threw a stone at me. Wow, that's a first.
Like people are getting so crazy. Oh, are we done with the Ashish Chanchalani fan movement, everybody? हो गया सबका?
Let's start.
Alright, so this is going to be a panel discussion on what does it take to be an influencer. For the creators here, this is Asia's largest influencer gathering happening here. We have 250 nano influencers as the aspiring influencers. We're more than about, 700 people in the house today, 1,000 people, Make some noise, everybody who's here today. Crazy. And we have 8 mega influencers in the house today. And this is an influencer gathering happening where we'll be discussing what does it take to be an influencer. Alright, so starting off, I think we are finally in 2020. Decade khatam ho gaya, guys. It's done. We are done with the decade. And I don't know, kaisa gaya decade, mere liye to theek thaak tha. So this is what I wanted to ask from you. How was 2019 for the digital space? Like, how did it go? Slay Point, how was the 2019? Kya kiya? Surely. उसके अलावा I think Slay
भरेगा मेरा बाप भरेगा ठीक है. Okay guys.